What's up, guys? In this tutorial, we'll be guiding you on how to send money internationally with Wise. So, of course, you want to open your Wise account, and right here you can see the send button. You want to locate the send button, tap and send, and then you want to choose where you're sending your money to. So, of course, you want to go ahead and choose the country. Then you're sending exactly $1,000, for example, to the recipient, and the recipient will get $995 and a fraction of 39 cents. And this is because of the charges or the fees which you'll need to spend. Of course, you also have the paying with connected bank account. If you want to change this, you can tap on the change button right there. And of course, you can see the available options right there as well. Now, these options do a great job at telling you transparently how much the fees will be so you can make your choice without any hidden charges. And this is why we want to use the ACH, and this is the cheapest option. If you choose the ACH, that's what we had before, so we're going to go back. And then, of course, it tells you when you can expect to receive the funds, usually within 24 hours. Then you have the amount once again. And then at the bottom, you can tap Add Recipient. Once you select the recipient, it will, of course, take you to some pages to confirm your transaction. And then you'll be able to successfully send money internationally with Wise. So, what you really need is the recipient's details. Now, if you have the recipient already in your contact list, or if that recipient is on Wise already, you can search from the contact available using Wise. But if not, you need to input their details manually and successfully send the funds.